Dividing fractions. When dividing, so you need to fill in the word dividing. When dividing fractions, you are finding out how many of one fraction are equal to another fraction. So when dividing fractions, you are finding out how many of one fraction are equal to another fraction. When dividing fractions, you are finding out how many of one fraction are equal to another fraction. Okay, so let's look at our arrow. Pull your arrow all the way out. So on step 1, it says change the divisor to the reciprocal fraction. Reciprocal means you're going to flip it upside down. So I'm going to show if I have 2 over 3.
Write that down.
Yep, write it down. What is the reciprocal of 2 over 3? 3 over 2. Okay? So your reciprocal means you're just flipping it, so it's the other way.
So 3 over 2. So what do you write down again?
So you write 2/3 and then 3/2. So that is your reciprocals when you flip it upside down.
2/3.
And 3 over 2, or 3/2. Okay, then it says change the operation to multiplication. And step 3 says solve the problem. Okay, so we're going to look at the first problem. Everyone ready to do the first one?
Yep.
No.
Yeah.
You got it, Chad? Okay. Let's look at the first problem. We have 1/15 divided by 3/5. So which fraction do I change? Do I change 1 over 15 or 3/5? 3/5. So flip off your problem. So we're going to rewrite it as 1/15. That does not change. We're flipping our second fraction, so it turns into 5 over 3. So the divisor, remember, is your second fraction. Okay? Step 2 says change the operation to multiplication. So we're changing division to a times. So we're going to use a dot to show times. We want to get in the habit of using a dot. Okay? We'll be working on that more and more this year. Krista, put that stuff away. Let's go. You're falling behind. Now I'm going to solve the problem just like I did yesterday. So how do I multiply fractions? 1 times 5 is 5. 15 times 3? 45. Now, is there a number that goes into 5 and 45? What?
Yes,
5.
Oh.
So divide them both by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So my answer is 1 over 9. Okay, so we change that second fraction to our reciprocal. We change division to multiplication. And then we did the same thing as yesterday. Okay, let's try the second one. 2/5 divided by 1/10. What do I do with 2/5?
You make it a time.
2/5?
You change it.
2/5?
You flip it. Times it.
With just the fraction 2/5.
You flip it.
Did I flip the first fraction?
No.
No, the first one you have to keep. You have to keep that first fraction. So we have 2/5. Now our second one was 1/10. So what do we do with that? 10 over 1. Then what?
Now times it.
Times. So 10 times 2 is 20. 5 times 1? 5. Now what?
You have to see how it goes in 4.
So top number is larger, so what do I have to do?
See how many times it goes in.
Okay, so I have to take 20 divided by 5. So 5 goes into 20 4 times, which gives me 20. I have 0 left over, so my answer is 4. Just 4. 4 your whole number. So if I take 2/5 and divide it by 1/10, I get 4.
Hang on.
I'll try the next one. 1/2 divided by 1/4.
You keep the first one.
Okay, so keep the first one. So I'm keeping 1/2,
And then 4.
then 4 over 1, multiply. So 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 1, 2. So 4 over 2 is equal to 2.
Too many twos.
So what do you do with the first fraction?
Leave
Leave it. What do you do with the second one? Flip it. What else do you do?
Multiply.
Change division to multiply. When you have that done, open to page 2 and fill out your table of contents for today. Today is 9/28. Pull stool over. 9/28, and what did we do today?
Dividing factors.
Dividing fractions, and what page are we on?
13.
13.